Today we are visiting the historic Hoyt House on Amelia Island, Florida. Constructed on Atlantic Avenue in 1905 by builder John Mann, the house is modeled after the Rockefeller cottage on Jekyll Island called Indian Mount. Banker Fred W. Hoyt, his wife Kate, and their three boys, Charles, Willis, and Wadley, resided there until Mr. Hoyt's death in 1927. Everett Mizell then purchased the house, and he and his family enjoyed a comfortable life in this grand home for the next half century, and now, for the past 31 years, it has been a bed and breakfast.
The entry is unusual because it's based on a back east kind of design. Back east will have these little
Like vestibules?
Yes, and probably due to the weather and such. The house is based on the Rockefeller cottage on Jekyll Island, which is now known as Indian Mound. So it's really their design that they had. Fred Hoyt, president of the First National Bank of Amelia Island back in 1905, he was looking to convince the citizens of Fernandina Beach that their money was safe with him, because he needed to bring in their money so he could lend it out and make money on it. So he wanted to assure the citizens that he wasn't going to run away in the middle of the night with them. So he had the house built as a replica to that Rockefeller cottage Indian Mound.
That's wonderful to know.
Yes.
So what is this room here?
This is known as the men's parlor.
Has it always been known as that?
Yes, yes. That's the way they did it back in 1905. And then if you look to your right, the other parlor is the women's parlor. So here you have the men's parlor, and over there you have the women's parlor.
Okay, we'll go there in a minute. Look at this, is a Victrola. Is that?
House is just under 8,000 square feet, and it is located on 3 lots. We own 3 lots on this corner.
Is this a working fireplace?
No, it is original to the house though. All the wood and the
look at the tile,
antique tile,
wow,
yes, is all original to the home.
So this is a Victorian style 1905.
Yes.
Oh, this is beautiful. Is this original?
No.
It's
You'll
really
find
pretty.
that a lot of the, I would say pretty much all of the items that are not built in are just antiques that other owners and such as us and others who've owned it in the past have actually brought it in. And it's almost like a museum where you can wander through the hallways and look at all the antique pictures and see how things were done.
What about her? Was she original?
Yes, she is original.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, she's a awesome lady. Kind of goes in with that theme of the murder mystery weekend.
Oh, that's right. They have murder mystery weekends here, and they're apparently super fun, and more than one person gets murdered.
Then here is our little
this is a pub. So what was it originally? Was it always a pub?
We believe it was Fred's office, because it also has an original fireplace right here to your right. And we turned it into a pirate pub, because this island is known for the 8 flags and pirates.
That's right. This bar is fantastic.
This is where we do our social hour every day from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's closed on Sundays.
So if you're a guest here, and aren't they complimentary?
Yes, complimentary wine and beer for that hour. It is a licensed bar, so we can serve you other alcohol. You would just pay for that on your reservation, but it is
Oh, this is fantastic.
complimentary wine and beer. So it is a replica of that Rockefeller cottage on Jekyll Island, but it's a much smaller version.
Okay.
And it's built by the same builder.
Oh, that's so interesting. Okay, so what do you call this?
This is the women's parlor.
And was it always called that?
It's always been known as that.
Okay.
It's her little getaway. They have antique pocket doors here.
Oh.
So if she wanted to get away from her husband and kids, she could close herself up in here in the afternoon or whatever time.
I will show those in just a minute. So pretty. So the pocket doors are on, their pocket doors are on both doors.
Yes.
So here is the old, look at that, old-fashioned pocket door. And then they're also over here. Very nice.
And then now you'll be entering our dining area. This used to have one long table down the center here, and they ate as a family.
Oh, okay.
And then we changed it over to be individual tables for our guests.
And another fireplace. And look outside. Oh, it's so pretty. There's a palm tree outside. And the part of the front porch. It's a wraparound front porch.
Another original fireplace.
So the tile is similar, but not exact. It's so pretty. And the carving is so pretty. And then the mirror above it. Wow, that's so ornate.
It's in such pristine condition from here up. If you look at the base down here, you can see all of her wrinkles or cracks. So I left it like this on purpose so it would show the character. But it's almost like this is the original, and from here up she's had a little bit of Botox, but she hasn't. She's original.
Don't we all need a little bit of Botox at some point?
Yes.
Pretty columns. Oh, it's so beautiful. And so what is this? Look at the doors are so pretty. Okay, so this leads around back to the front.
We found this antique cabinet right here. If you look closely at it, there's a knight.
Oh, I was looking at that. That's so beautiful. It just fits right into the era.
Correct. And over here is my display of our teacups and luncheon plates that we do for parties of 8 or more. We will do a tea party, an authentic English tea party, afternoon tea for our parties of 8 or more.
Oh, so nice. So tea parties and murder mysteries.
Yes.
So the murder mysteries are a whole weekend. So you book your room, and then she gives you a character part, and then the weekend begins. Oh, what about this? So this
is an original picture of our home.
Okay, so where are we going here? We're going to the left, and which room is
This
this?
is called the Mizell Honeymoon Suite.
So we're going to go see one other room, I think you said?
Yes, another king room, just not, this one happens to be a suite. And then we'll go down
And how
the
many
hall.
rooms total?
We have 5 down and 5 up.
Wow, 10 rooms. So when you get them all booked, it's really fun for the murder mysteries because
Yes.
there's lots of people playing. So these two rooms, your office, and that's the kitchen, right?
Yes. Uh-huh.
So this is the back of the stairway, and we're back to the front of the house.
It's been a home for 119 years,
Oh.
and 31 years of that, it's been an inn and wedding venue.
Well, thank you so much. This has been really fun.
Oh, you're very
It's
welcome.
beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Please support my channel by watching, liking, and subscribing so I can bring you more Bluing House content. Thank you.